Let's walk back to
Steven. Steven.
Somehow I just got really thirsty.
Do you have anything you'd like to say to 40-something people, or possibly Emma? Do you want to say something, Emma?
Quest 64 is the greatest game of all time.
That is such a lie.
Good.
There's a statement has never been uttered that's more of a lie.
So good.
What an awful
Davis,
game.
do you want to say anything?
That game is about as pleasant as...
It's what?
There's nothing really...
Conversation between your roommate and his girlfriend.
There's nothing really comparable.
It's just so tedious. It's so unbelievably tedious. Also, we went on that spinny thing again.
We did.
Yeah, sorry, Emma.
Yeah, yeah.
What a terrible idea.
Davis, do you want to say something to Emma?
Hey, Emma.
That's perfect.
Wait, hold on. I need to conduct an experiment.
No.
Articology.
No.
Article studies. Ready? Okay. All right.
But did you just send 3?
I sent 4 total. 1.
What if they all collided?
I think.
Well, it's old, but let's put this on here.
Oh, the light this one.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
these ones you're. Those are firecrackers.
I mean, this one, right?
Yeah. Oh no, Aaron, don't go back.
Don't go back. Don't ever go back.
You see?
Alright.
That's it.
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, those are firecrackers.
I like the smell of it. Let's shoot one of these big Berthas here. Still got some of them left.
Hardly a big Bertha.
Well, remember them big ones we had?
Those were good.
But we had these left over. We had so many last year.
Do you need another lighter?
That'd be nice. Great.
Oh.
Well,
Sweet. I don't know if we can do 4.
I see where they got it taped. This fuse is ready to fall out of here.
Really? That's what we get.
Let's give it a try.
Do it.
Just kind of start at the end.
I don't think I got all of them.
Well, maybe the lights don't light themselves. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Well.
One at a time. What are these?
All those little ones. He can't see me, but there's these people up here who have significantly better fireworks than we do. And so I'm going to try to film it for you guys. Those were ours. You saw them, the little dinky things? Oh, shiz. They're flying around me. I'm being bombarded. I'm scared. That was bull. Hey guys, what's going on? I got a light on me. I can't see anything. Got a light? Got a, oh, damn it. Okay, we just missed a good light show there. But there'll be more. Oh, look at all the stars. Dude, we have so many. Anyway, is this whole lighting thing working for you guys, or is it, oh god, I'm gonna fall in the ditch. Oh man, I'm just getting tired of vlogging. Street light, mailbox, American flag. What's funny is that's up all the time. It's not just because it's 4th of July. Street. Road. going in circles. Oh my god, I wasn't filming. Oh my. I was looking at it through the camera. I think that might have been it. It might have been the end. The finale. And you guys missed it because I'm an incompetent vlogger.